everyone, I'm Lynne from the Sharon Forks Library, coming to you from my home kitchen. I hope everyone is doing well. Today I'm going to show you how to make cream cheese roll-ups, a no-cook nutritious snack that your family can reach for in place of that bag of potato chips or that package of cookies. You will need something to mix your ingredients in. You will need a tray or a baking sheet to place your roll-ups on once you have them assembled. A damp paper towel, and the reason you'll need this damp paper towel is because your roll-ups will need to go into the refrigerator for at least 8 hours or overnight possibly, and this damp towel is going to keep your tortillas from drying out. And then you'll cover them with a piece of saran wrap or foil. Okay, today I have here shredded cheddar cheese, green onions, sour cream, green chilies, salt, garlic, black olives, cream cheese, and tortillas. Let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is place my cream cheese into the bowl and get that loosened up so that I can mix the rest of my ingredients easily into that. I'm going to loosen that up, get it all smooth. Next, I'm going to add in my cheddar cheese. Give that a good mix. And then I'm going to begin adding the rest of the ingredients. Let's get that mixed in very, very well. Okay, I'm going to get my sour cream in the bowl. And mix that very, very well. And then my green chilies. And just so you know that if your family doesn't like one of the ingredients or a few of the ingredients, you can always leave them out. For example, my sister does not like black olives, so when she comes to visit, I leave the black olives out and the tortillas are just as tasty. You can also substitute things like green olives or water chestnuts or anything your family might prefer. I'm going to add in my green onions. Smells really good. My black olives. And my garlic. And remember, you can always leave an ingredient out if you don't like something. And salt, and this is also optional. If you want to control your salt intake. Okay, we have got this pretty well mixed and combined. And now, we are ready to roll. We're going to place our tortilla on the cutting board and put a spoonful of the mixture and make sure I'm going to get a smaller spoon. Make sure you spread your mixture out into the edge of the tortilla. That way you'll get a bite of that mixture throughout the whole tortilla. And we're going to roll it up and we're going to place it seam side down on your tray. Let's try one more. You take a spoonful of the mixture, spread it out, let's get a little more. Roll it up and place it on the tray. When you have all your tortillas rolled and they're all on your tray, you're going to place the damp paper towel over them, cover them with saran wrap or foil, whatever you have on hand. And as I said, you're going to place them in the refrigerator for at least 8 hours or overnight. This gives the mixture the opportunity to firm up and all of your ingredients to mesh. Once you take them out of the refrigerator, you're going to cut them into sections. And enjoy. Thank you for watching today. Please stay safe and have a great day.